We were friends before, before we went into business together. I think, a lot of marriages, if people are friends before they get married, that's helpful. But I think we had, again, we were both engineers. We both had our MBAs, but his focus was more operational. Mine was more external. And we really tried not to step on each other's toes. So we had our own sort of spheres of influence. They were like a Venn diagram. They did overlap, but look, he understood my world, and I understood his world, and we'd have frank discussions and question. But at the end of the day, ultimately, even if I didn't fully agree, I would defer to him on if he felt strongly on something that was in his area of influence, and he would defer to me. And I think we were fortunate that we had just a tremendous amount of trust and respect for each other. But I think the key is have some clear delineation in the sort of areas of responsibility, because if you're overlapping too much, it's inevitable you're going to step on each other's toes.